So let's talk about something, about the journey, your journey of childhood, your struggle life, what the kind of challenges that you may have faced in your journey. It is not about the language only, but in terms of life.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Is it
actually,
in?
my childhood was very wonderful. Yes, yes. My childhood was very wonderful. It is very good question. Discussing this question, we have to go again in past, and we remember what happened in past, how we enjoyed our past journey, right? And how we enjoyed our childhood. So my childhood was very good. I enjoyed a lot because I was in village, and in village life it means it's a free, like a free bird. I used to play for 4 hours, 5 hours with my siblings. I have siblings, so I used to play a lot with them, with my neighbor's daughter, son there, and I had a big that mango garden. So we used to play, and I used to go my farm. I have a good farm, so I used to go that there, and seeing how to grow crops like wheat, gram, and all types grains. They grow there. So I have seen everything, very, I can say, clearly and closely. I have seen in a village life. I grown up there. I came in city. It's been 1 to 2 year. I came here. Otherwise, I was in village. So childhood was very good. I didn't face any challenges, but only there was one challenge related study. There was a school on, and there was a school, but only the school was 8th standard, and that school, government school, no one pay attention toward kids study. Teacher was also like they were not well educated, and so that challenges I had faced. And the second was there is no hospital, like cities, not cities facilities there. And there was no road. But though we were enjoyed a lot, though I was enjoyed a lot, people, they used to sit one place, any little problem they used to gather, they used to help each other. So that would be very good, because if there was a community. So if
Yes.
any problems happens, they gather, they help. So that was very good. For man, it was good. For woman, it was quite difficult, because in study, if I talk about it, study, so it was quite difficult for girls, because school was, up to 8th standard. It is too rather far, and we I can say I couldn't complete my education. That's the reason. So this problem was there, and everything was okay. So what about your childhood? How you spend it? Maybe you spend, different way.
I'm also on the same page as you told me that I'm also, like went through the kind of the greenery that we used to have in a village, because I also you belong from the village. I have been here. My hostel that was near to my village, the Kasturba Gandhi, from where I did my education till up to the 10th standard. So that time also when I used to come here, I used to engage myself in the with the wheat, and I like there used to be mud when we grown up the green, okay, before for planting. The first way of what we call that dhan. I don't remember what we call it in Hindi.
Patti,
Yeah,
patti,
yeah.
patti.
Yeah, so that mud, that used to be attract me a lot, but I never wanted to go there. Like I have, I was seeing that how they were very comfortable with that mud, but I cannot go there. There used to be a, like insect, a very thin kind of insect. So yeah, that was the enjoyment that I also have. And I also have been through those of the journey. But after 10th, I went to Surat. There I did my education. That was also from Hindi medium till 12th standard, and graduation that was from English medium. Okay, and what what I was yeah, in case of hospital, as you mentioned, that I also have suffered with these kind of things. Like when I was in hostel, that time I was suffering some fever, but because there was no near hospital, I have to came to my home. Then I went to my district. Okay, district to get the okay, to treat my fever. And that time that was 10 day long, and I was suffering from malaria. And I was not, my parents was also like, for the transportation issue was also that time. We do not get a vehicle in a, like, whenever you want, you will not get instant. For that you have to wait for, you have to fix time, then when it will come, you then only you can go. So and this kind of, yeah, problem we also face. And in terms of government school, yeah, there is near my house, there is also same like 8 standard government school is available. And for 9 and 10 you have to visit other to far the village. Okay. And for the high, okay, for again 11 to 11 12 again you have to visit some other area. College for that also. So that was, too much hectic. But I am grateful that my mama ji, he helped me. He called me there in Surat, and I was staying with him there, and I got my education. That time also it was a challenging, because when you go from the village area and we live with the, when you like try to settle down with the city people, it is very different. People do not feel enjoy your company. Okay, they never get attracted with you. So that time also I was feeling very loneliness. And still, okay, so those of the experience helping me out now also when I feel alone. Not, it is not a big deal for me, because I have been through that of journey. But somehow I really because one thing that I was since my childhood I was very hardworking girl. And that hard work pays me a lot and helped me a lot throughout all the journey, that whatever I am today, it is all because of my hard work, not any talent, not any natural skills that I have got. So yeah, okay, through the hard work I become a topper there in 12th standard in Surat. In college also, I in third year of college I also become a topper as a third ranker in my class. So that was in English medium. That was also very tough journey. When I went to college, okay, that time also you English environment and coming from Hindi background, and my English was really very bad, very bad. I had scored only 45 marks in my 12th standard, and I never used to stand up in my class to study. To teacher used to tell us that read out the book by standing in the class. I never did that, and there was only one reason: I was not good in English. So when I went to college, that time also I faced a lot of problem, and I was not able to manage that how I will go further. And when I discussed with the teacher also told me that you should take admission in Hindi medium. This is not the environment, you will not be able to get over by it. So that time also I was like there was a very challenging that time. But I somehow managed myself. I talked to my tuition sirs, and he told me that if you know your journey, you do hard work, you will manage. Okay, but yeah, again I was good in math, okay, with the numbers. So I was helping the English medium students in statistics and account, and they were helping me in English. So this way I try to manage my journey in college, and somehow I cleared my exam, and with the good marks also. Yeah, this is all about that, whatever
Uh,
I could. Yes.
Something I also have remembered that like you mentioned that when they used to say that stand up and read. So once my teacher, when I was in sixth, my teacher said stand up and read. That was Hindi subject, and I couldn't actually I could read Hindi, but that day I had that nervousness, so I couldn't read. I was shivering, and while reading like that I was doing, and teacher said, bad job. Just sit down. So I sat down, and That remember, but one thing you mentioned that your teacher said you should take admission in a Hindi medium. That is, I get it, it is very heartbreaking for you. So how did you manage that? Like it is, teachers should always, I can say motivate kids, and they can support kids like you can do. You have that, power to do everything. So if we get like that teachers, we can do anything in our life. but if teachers say you are not able to do, you cannot do this, so that is very shameless,
Yes,
right?
yes, yeah. It was very heartbreaking for me at that time, and maybe it is not just about the your English. The teacher is focusing only about your background, because I also had a background of village culture, so that
Hmm.
she also may have noticed that she belonged to a village culture and Hindi background, and the way I was, like stumbling and fumbling in front of the teacher to muster up the courage to talk with her. So throughout throughout the whole whatever the expression I would be giving, she might judge me, but she should not have told me like that, because that was truly very suffering for me at that time. But I had a compulsion that no, I have to do, because otherwise I will not be able to continue my study, because going to Bharuch, okay, from the Surat, it was very difficult for me. I could not pay that much of the transport expense as well, and my parents will also not allow me maybe to go that much far. Okay, so it going one district from another district, so that was really going to be very difficult for me that time. But so that I was in compulsion that whatever will happen, I have to stay in this college only, because the college was also topmost college of the Surat in commerce. I got admission there. So that was itself a good thing for me, and I made promise myself, no, I will be here, and I will stay here, and I will try to manage myself, and I will do. And thanks to the some of the very rare friends, okay, two or three friends only I got there in my first or second like year of my college. Third year I get more friends, but for 2 years that was difficult. But them I was helping to, as I told you, that state and accounts, and they were helping me in English translating, and trying to they were comprehending me, helping me comprehend the a sentence. I was trying to make a story in my own way, as they were helping me. Each and every word they were helping me to understand. So they were really support, and thanks to them that I somehow able to manage myself in that college. Yeah, it was
It
really
is your
after that.
courage. Mhm. It is your
Sorry.
courage that, and hard work. I appreciate to you, even, the age you were, and you decided, no, whatever happened, I can do. So that I appreciate you. People, they always think that, if they do not get, support anywhere and teachers, they think that, no, it why I am doing this, let it be. But I appreciate to you, at least you thought that, no, I have to do and I have to prove I can do, right?
Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
I wanted to study. I wanted to study, okay. And after my master, also I wanted to do. But because after marriage, I could not do it continuously, because of some my own personal reason as well. That I become a mother and household chores. Yeah, okay. So maybe after time, okay, I will again go for the master degree. But now what I feel that you the experience is much matter much, because a degree is not going to play a very important role in your life. Okay, if you have the quality skills and learning, so that is going to be important for you. Okay, and that will help you in your journey. No degree, whatever the journey I have been through, the degree that I got, is that helping me now? No, okay, I'm not utilizing that. Maybe later on, if I go somewhere for interview, they may see it. But what about those subject knowledge? Where are those? They all are wipe out. So yeah, okay, degree doesn't matter. Only for the some level, it will help you to get a to enter into the place. After then, your experience, your skills, that will help you.
Yes, sometimes I agree with you, but I think that no degree helps, like whatever you have achieved, so that is your hard work. You have, done study, after that you have achieved, right?